Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you how amazingly garden landscaping that you can do in your garden to look like your garden more aesthetically appealing and more good. Garden landscaping is the art and practice of designing, planning and also maintaining outdoor spaces that is going to transform them into beautiful and functional areas in your garden. Garden is one of the most important thing in your house. As one enters into your house, he or she notices the garden as well. So garden might be one of the most key factors of adding to your garden. Remember that there are many other things that you can add. Garden landscaping involves the careful planning and execution of garden designs to create an attractive and harmonious outdoor spaces. Landscaping can be as simple as arranging a few plants and rocks, or it can be as complex as you want it to make it. But remember that the key element is the site analysis. You can add a lot of things to your garden. You can add flowers of different colors. Remember to use flowers and lights that enhance the beauty of your garden. Remember also that there are many other things that you can use in your garden. You can add a lot of blue pottery to your garden, statues of different colors and different ornaments, flowers of different colors. And also you can add architectural designs to your garden. Adding architectural designs to your garden will not only make your garden look beautiful, but also can add a lot of other things, such as it can make your garden look beautiful with the help of other things as well. Remember to use more gardens and more beautiful ornaments to your garden. You can also add pastures and waterfalls to your garden. Rocks of different colors can always be used. Also, not only this, but remember to use gardens and remember to use plants of different colors, and architectural designs can be made. Fairy lights can also be used in your garden. You can also add an architectural designs. Fences, rugs can be used. Also, there can be used many architectural stairs as well. Remember to use garden as a source of relaxation as well. Outdoor plants can be used, not only outdoor plants, but outdoor spaces can also be used where you can get a lot of relaxation in your garden. Remember that there are lots of other things such as pastures, small plants. Small heighted plants add a lot of sense of garden to your garden. You can add a lot of colors to your garden. Remember to use fences in your garden as well. Solid color fences can be used as one of the most important thing in the garden. You can add sofas, you can add furniture to your garden as well. Remember, the spaces that you use should be more relaxing and can be made to make more of relaxation rather than a low maintenance garden can also be used so that you don't have to keep it up all the time. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, share it with your friends and keep it up for more videos as well. Thank you.